59-year-old self-styled spiritual leader from Haryana is now at the center of the major controversy in Pune. Radha Mohan Mishra, who operated an ashram in Pune's Wagholi area, built a large following over the years. Many devotees believed he had a special spiritual powers and could help solve personal, family and financial problems over the years. However, Mishra has now been accused by the former devotees of creating an atmosphere of fear, control and blind obedience. Along with the recent allegations of sex and abuse, former followers are speaking about what they describe as years of psychological control inside the organization itself. One of the most shocking claims is about a practice known as mind report, a report that devotees allegedly had to write about their thoughts, feelings and daily activities. So who is Radha Mohan Mishra and what are the allegations being made against him? Here is a detailed look. Let's try to understand. According to the former followers, Radha Mohan Mishra is originally from Haryana and had been living in Pune for several years. He operated an ashram from a bungalow in Wagholi's Uble Nagar area and attracted followers from different parts of the Maharashtra and beyond. Many devotees believed Mishra's special spiritual powers could guide them through personal and family problems. People from different backgrounds reportedly joining the organization seeking spiritual guidance, emotional support and answer to their life challenges. Some followers even made major life decisions based on the Mishra's advice in their entire life. However, former members now claim that behind the spiritual image there was a system designed to closely monitor the followers and control their lives. At the center of these allegations, there is something called as mind report, which is the mastermind of this entire case. Former devotees allege that members were regularly asked to write detailed reports about their thoughts, emotions and daily activities and the interactions with the other people in that mind report every day. The reports allegedly included the highly personal information. Even followers claim they were expected to be completely honest and reveal even their private thoughts in that mind report diary. According to the members, the reports reviewed by the senior member of the organization, critics allege that this allowed to the leadership to know intimate details about the devotees' lives and use the information to influence them. Several followers claim that questioning instructions was discouraged. Some say they felt pressure to obey every direction given by Mishra and his close associates. Devotees have also alleged that members were made to believe that disobeying the organization could negatively affect their spiritual growth as well. Even over the time, some followers say they became dependent on the group's approval before making any important as well as their personal decision, going beyond Mishra's Baba decision. The controversy has grown further because of the allegations regarding the comments about the women. Even some devotees claim that Mishra made derogatory remarks suggesting that women should remain a subordinate position. One former follower alleged that women were told their place was near slippers. Imagine, literally near the slippers. These claims have triggered the criticism and raised questions about the treatment of women within the organization itself. If we talk about the latest allegations come out at a time when Pune police are already investigating serious accusations against Mishra and several of their associates. A woman complaint has accused him of years of sexual exploitation, mental harassment and manipulation. According to the police, the alleged abuse continued for several years. The investigation took a major turn when a police conducted raid at the Wagholi's ashram and arrested Mishra along with several associates over there. During the search that has been conducted by the investigators, electronic devices and other materials were reportedly seized from for the examination. Even police are analyzing the reports. Now presently the police are analyzing the laptops, other authorities and digital platforms. Authorities are also recording the statements from the followers to understand the full extent of the allegations and determine whether more victims may have been affected in this entire investigation. It is important to note that these allegations are currently under the investigation and the legal process is ongoing. The accused have the right to present their defense before the court also. Now we have to see what further investigation will take in this case. As we have seen, as soon as Radha As we have seen, the Radha Mohan Mishra case has sparked a wider debate about the influence of spiritual leaders can have over their followers and the need for the accountability within such organization. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.